Got a leak in your pipe? Don't you worry, no way. Call up Waye Plumbing, they'll save the day. From Criswell to town, they're known all around. James Waye and his team are the best, hands down. Waye Plumbing LLC, for every pipe and every leak, residential or commercial too. Call James Waye, he'll fix it for you. Water heater busted or your faucet won't flow, no need to stress, just let Waye Plumbing know. From Criswell's houses to the busy main street, they got you covered, their service can't be beat. Waye Plumbing LLC, for every pipe and every leak, residential or commercial too. Call James Waye, he'll fix it for you. Day or night, they're just a call away. 24/7, they're ready to save the day. Waye Plumbing LLC, for every pipe and every leak, residential or commercial too. Call James Waye, he'll fix it for you.